Welcome everyone, today we're drawing a cute cartoon snow owl. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw two circles for the eyes. I'm going to start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, go all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Let's leave a gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So I'm going to start by lining up the top. I'm going to come down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's move to the top left side of each eye and draw a small circle coming in for highlight. I'll just line that up on the right. Then I'll add a smaller circle along the bottom right side. Let's fill the inside of the eyes in black. Let's add a trim around the eyes. We're going to start in the middle along the top, start with a point. Let's start with the left side. We're going to go all the way around the eye, come around, and just pull that up in the middle. Let's do the same thing on the right side. Going up, go around the eye, and then pull that up in the center. Now let's tuck the beak underneath. Starting on the left side, we're going to curve this down and then in towards the center, and back up. Now let's fill the inside of the beak in black. Let's move out to the side and draw the top half of the head. So on the left side, let's going to curve this around, across the top, and then bend that down towards the right side. Let's round up the head and just pull that up in towards the center. Come down on the left side, just pull that up just underneath the beak, come down and up on the right side. Now we're going to twist the body. Let's start in the center, draw the wing coming around, down, and then out towards the right. Let's bend this up and then in underneath the head. Now I'm going to go over towards the left side. We're going to draw the body, going out and then in, round out the body, and just tuck that up underneath the wing. Now let's draw on the left wing. We're going to step out, go around, and then in towards the side. Let's place the feet along the bottom, starting from the bottom corner. We're going to go up, bend that down, and we'll draw that again. And then inside the feet, we're going to draw two lines coming down. Let's add a little bit of texture to the wings. Starting from the inside, we're going to draw these little U shapes. Going up in an angle. And a couple more. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And there's a cute cartoon drawing of a snow owl. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.